In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can get paid to leave comments and also feedback on different websites. Now, what I've done is I was doing some research for a blog article over on here because we share different articles for earning online and making money. Now, I came across all of the usual channels and then I actually found a website which I'm actually a member of. So in this video, I'll show you the website, I'll show you how this works, and I'll just walk you through this whole process because it's absolutely free and it will not take a long time to go over this. Now, you're not going to earn lots of money, let's be absolutely open and honest about this. But the website I'm going to share with you is one which is paying up to it pays 50 cents per comment, which is pretty good. So if I come over here, this is inside of the website, and I'll drop a link to this down below for you and you can go ahead and check this out. So this platform over here, this is whereby people come on here and they create blogs, websites and niche websites. And inside of Wealthy Affiliate, they've got training, you can create your website. They've got a huge community, which you can see on the right hand side here, where everyone's sharing feedback. We've got top 10 blogs, hot topics, new trainings and lots more. So how do you make money with this? Well, obviously this is a huge community that's available all over the world, whereby people are blogging and they're sharing best tips and methods and other bits. Now inside of here, if we go to websites, I'll show you this, and we'll go down to site comments. So basically you can earn 50 cents where it says down here, look, leave some comments here. So if you click on there, you can actually earn 50 cents. And how you actually get paid for this is, if we come over here, you can see here, you earn a cash credit per comment. So every cash credit is the equivalent of 50 cents. And then what you can do with those cash credits, you can see on here, if you're building a website yourself, then you can use that to get other people to comment on your articles, get feedback on your website, and there's lots of things you can do with this. But essentially what you can also do is you can exchange the credits for cash, and then you can withdraw that cash over to your bank balance. And as you can see down here, they send this via PayPal. Okay, so let's go back over here. And this is an example. But first of all, you might be wondering, why would anybody pay you to comment on a specific page on a website? So if you do not know, in terms of like this article over here, the owner of this website, he's looking for interaction on this article over here. And why he's doing that is because he's trying to get this article or his overall website to rank in the search engines, because whenever somebody, has an action on your page, whether that is, leaving a comment or going and reading a different article, that signals to the search engine, whether it's Google, Bing, Yahoo, it's that this article here is very relevant to what somebody was searching for, or it's very relevant to this particular, keyword or niche. So comments are a big thing on articles to get them up the rankings. There's a few other factors as well, but somebody actually taking the time to read an article and then leave a comment, it signals it's like a social signal basically over to the search engines, and the short version is it helps with the article in terms of ranking it over on the search engines. So if we come back over here, how this works is you create an account for free, and as I've mentioned, I'll leave a link to this below for you. Once you've created an account for free, you just do what I do. You come over to website here and you click on site comments. Now, you see over here where it says edit my interests. You click on here and you can go through and click on any of these that you want. And then what it will do is anybody on the website who wants feedback or comments in any of these categories, they will populate below for you. So let me just click on save interests and close, and then they'll all start to come down here for you. And basically it walks through this whole process. So you can see here, this person here wants a comment for this article. Comments are requested to include one or more of the following. So we've got questions on the topic or the overall article, we've got a discussion about the topic, offer experience, or an opinion about the topic. Now traditionally you would go over here, and at the bottom of any article online you would have this section here where you put in your name. Oh, where's it gone here? In the comments section, there's normally, he hasn't got one on here. Come down, oh here we go. So you see here, look, we'd leave a comment, you'd put in your name, your email and a website, and then you click on post comment. Now over on Wealthy Affiliate, to get your 50 cents, you need to leave, as you can see here, leave your comment below. You put your comment in here, and then you submit this comment and you earn 1 credit. Okay, so it's straightforward and simple. And look, if you want to speed up this whole process, what you can do is, instead of reading through this whole article here, what you can do is you can just scroll to the bottom and look at the other comments, what other people have commented down here. So like this here, and you could literally just rephrase this yourself, or take out the main points from this and leave your own comment, and then you get paid for doing so. It's straightforward and it's simple. Now, there are a number of these other websites where you can get paid to leave comments, on websites, and these are known as micro tasks or micro workers. So if I come over here, I'll show you a couple of websites. Now, these do not pay as much as this one over here, but if you want to go down this route, you can do. So I'll share a couple of websites. So the first one is I forgot what the website is. It's called Rapid Workers. Yeah, Rapid Workers. So you click on here and we can see here, so Rapid Workers. So these are websites which basically pay you to complete micro tasks. So if you scroll down here, you've got some examples. Look, so follow me on Twitter. Someone will pay you 12 cents to follow them on Twitter. We've got Instagram, create Gmail account for me. And you can see these are some examples. But over on this website here, you can click on inside of the website, there's micro jobs and other bits. But again, this website here, they will pay you to leave comments and leave feedback over on a website or a blog article. They'll also pay you to, in fact, let me log in, I'll show you really quickly. We'll come in here and I'll show you what it looks like in here. So, come down here, look, you can see subscribe and start earning real money. So YouTube fast payment. So basically these are all of the tasks, and as you can see on here, look, 3 cents, 3 cents, 10 cents. They're not paying a hell of a lot over on these websites over here, like Rapid Tags, like microworkers.com, Rapid Workers, and there's hundreds of these. So this website over here, this Wealthy Affiliate, they will pay you, and it's straightforward and simple. Now, the other thing what you can actually do is, if you are creating an account over on this platform for free, and you are leaving comments and earning credits, well, the other thing what they offer inside of here, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this here is a huge community all geared around creating blogs and websites. So you can actually create your own website completely for free inside of here. They've also got trainings, so they'll show you how to, create content, how to get that content to rank. They've got a huge community and lots more inside of Wealthy Affiliate. But overall, look, are you going to earn a lot of money with this method? No, you're absolutely not. Is this something you could do if you've got, a spare 5 or 10 minutes a day? Yeah, absolutely, because it's straightforward. You just go to Wealthy Affiliate, there's a link to this below, sign up for free, come to websites, on the left hand side, go to site comments, and then just, go to some articles, leave a couple of comments and earn money. Personally, I would say, stay away from sites like this because, you're not going to earn a lot of money on here. And overall, this isn't something that's going to, replace you. Obviously, it's not going to replace your job or your income, but it's just a simple and an easy way how you can get paid to leave comments on websites, on blogs, YouTube videos, and lots more. So yeah, that's today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. Do you like this method for making money online? It's simple, it's easy, and it's free. So yeah, I'll leave you alone now, so have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.